Hello everyone, this is my first vlog. I thought it is the best way to interact with my viewers because usually I post my shorts, but I thought that to speak English with my viewers, it is the best way. So my motto to make the English easier for you. So this is the park. Now this time I am in the park. I am from Delhi and this is my first vlog. So for the English purpose, I decided to make this vlog and long video. So here, first of thing I want to say to my beginners and my intermediate level. On the YouTube platform, you will find so many idioms, vocabulary and a lot of plenty of vocabulary and phrases and all that. But do you know, if you are a learner and you're trying to learn English, and if you are taking everything in spur of movement, then how will you catch this race? अगर मैं सिंपल वे में बोलूँ आपसे कि अगर आप बिगनर हो तो आपको एकदम सब कुछ ग्रैब नहीं करना है. आप अगर बिगनर हो तो आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली करना है. सी English is very crucial language. This time, this competitive area is very important. Day by day, we see everywhere it is a prevalent language. So I can't say you should not learn, but I definitely say it is a flexible language also. Though it is vast language, but still it is flexible. There are so many synonyms, so many vocabulary, plenty of antonyms, and you can learn easily. But one thing I will tell you, that you should have to put efforts. Without effort, you can't get anything, because everything required sacrifice, and without sacrifice, nothing can't begin. So you have to, if you want to gain anything, achieve the goal, then you have to go extra mile. You have to make a headway. So now this is not a tough task, but you have to bite the bullet. So here I am using so many idioms, but don't worry, for the beginners it is little bit hard to understand. I can understand, I can comprehend this thing. If you learn English, if you want to learn English, you have to listen first, but slowly and gradually go ahead. Don't jump immediately. So I mean to say, if I say a simple way, that you should learn first vocabulary. Why? See, if you learn vocabulary, then you get flow. When make your flow, you can maintain your flow only when you have some vocabulary. With the vocabulary, you can express your opinion, your way to say what is your feeling also. So don't spur in the moment. I think you should not go to immediately jump in this. There are so many idioms and all that. So you should take one by one, gradually. When you feel, when you think that now I am capable to utter this idiom, then you can take. Then you can take one by one, bit by bit. So it is little bit difficult, but not that. So for the beginner, I will say, on the स्टार्टिंग स्टेप, शुरुआत में आपको बहुत धीरे धीरे चलना है. मैं ये तो नहीं कहूँगी कि आप कर नहीं सकते, आप कीजिए. यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारी प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, आप ले सकते हैं. बट इफ़ यू टेक सम गाइडेंस, इट विल बी गुड. अदरवाइज you can go like this, no problem. But if while with the teacher, you can feel the you can feel that anybody with you to support, to guide, then the fear naturally faded away. Gradually you feel your faded going, removed, hesitation removing, because when the teacher and the one will guidance, any guidance will stay with you, definitely you feel little bit comfortable and ease. So first of all, you have to go for vocabulary daily, 2 or 3, 4, 5, but how much you can take, 2 or 3 take, and then you can use in your sentences. Take the sentences very simple, very simple. मैं खाना खा रही हूँ, मैं खाना खा चुकी हूँ, मैं खाना खाऊंगी, मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ, मैं बाहर जाऊंगी, मैं उसके साथ जाऊंगी. By this way you can make short sentences and use this vocabulary with very basic language. So by this way you can go ahead. So if you follow the rat race, immediately you taking so many idioms and vocabulary, it is very difficult. You will get confused, you will get nervous, sometimes you feel to just like to give up. But आपको गिव अप नहीं करना है, आपको थ्रो इन टाल नहीं करना है, आपको अपने आप को डंप में नहीं करना है. You should go ahead without any hesitation and with confidence. Boost up your confidence first by thinking that yes, you can do it, you can speak, you can learn the English. English is not a rocket science. Nobody in the world, nothing is impossible in this world. Everything is possible, but need some hard work. I am here in the park. You can see the greenery, you can see there is how in the evening it's looking like this because of winter, little bit foggy here. So in my vlog I want to say, here is not a traveling vlog, okay, it is a English vlog. My purpose to come here to show the live picture. When you see the live picture, then try to convert into English in your way. And second thing I want to say that whenever you learn English, think in English. If you can't, you are working, you have not too much time, then you can thinking in English. What are you doing? Where are you going? If you are in office, if you are at school, if you are in home, going to bed. So these simple sentences use, try to think in English and then speak, try to speak yourself with the mirror. So like this you can make a headway, and definitely you will successful, and definitely you will achieve your goal, no problem. And secondly, I want to say, here is so many trees and plants. You can easily say, I will show you. And now my purpose to show you different type of situations, maybe my temple, maybe buildings, maybe park. I will go here and there. So my motto is to bring the picture live in front of you, so you can easily figure out how to describe the picture. This is the way to learn English. If you are stay calm, you are stay mum, you are keep silence, you will still learning and keeping in your mind storage is too much in the mind. But if your lips, your tongue is not working, your hard work will go in vain. So you have to speak. If you are introvert, maybe there are so many person introvert like me. I was also introvert earlier, but so if you are introvert, then you have to turn yourself into extrovert, because you have to open your lips, you have to make your tongue to work, speaking and speaking. This is the secret. This is the only one secret of to speak English. Only that. Speak, only speak, and use good vocabulary. I will bring vocabulary also in my vlog, because this time I am shooting shorts, and on my YouTube channel, you can see so many shorts I have shooted and uploaded, but all the connected to idioms, phrases and vocabulary. But if I am in this vlog with you, like this time I have started, this is my first day, okay, and now my motto is to bring vocabulary in front of you, so that you can observe the vocabulary, you can take so much vocabulary, install vocabulary in your blood, too much. So when you feel there are so many words to go ahead, then your flow will become automatically come out. Your flow will not stop, you will not stuck anywhere, not even you fumble. You feel like a train, like a water. You will not feel that now what I should speak here, what I should speak, and what type of word I need to speak. There are so many words in the storage of a mind. Definitely you not need to get up immediately. The mind will work, and the word will come out on your tongue. It's definitely because this is my journey also. I have also learned like this, no problem. I have gone through this journey, so I know I knew this, but how I can explain you, how I can take your journey to easier side. So no problem with me, you can easily go ahead. And if you are beginner, maybe some if your teacher, if your guidance is there, then okay, otherwise you will carry on with me also, no problem. So today's I am in the park, and here is tree. I don't know what the level of your English, but if you are beginner, then start from the basic. Still, you can see I am strolling in the park. I am strolling in the park. मैं पार्क में घूम रही हूँ. Today time is in the evening. I am strolling in the park in the evening. Here and there I have seen so many benches. मैंने देखे बहुत सारे benches यहाँ लगे हुए हैं. I am watching. I am strolling and I am inhaling the fresh air. मैं सांस ले रही हूँ खुली हवा में. I am inhaling fresh air. Okay. Third, there are so many trees. Among of them, some are tall, some are short. See, for the basic learners, it is the way to learn. Here, see, it is high range of the tree and short. You can see here, there are so many benches there, greenery is there, or you can see here, I will show you. There is a flag also. There is a flag also. This is thing. This is flag, and see, this flag also, and you can see there is a flag in the park. The park is looking so serene, so nice, so maintained, and I am feeling very nice because in the park, when we see so many people around them, us, definitely the mood, my mood, automatically lifted. मेरा मूड एकदम अच्छा हो गया जब मैं घर से बाहर निकली तो देखा मैंने यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है तो मेरा मूड बहुत अच्छा हो. So in the park I feeling very nice, very good. It was just flashing my mood, and some kids are playing. See, you can see here. Some kids are playing seesaw. They are playing. See. And around this park there are so many stories, houses. You can see here kids are playing in the garden. They are playing badminton. Yes, and she is playing there, maybe taking exercise. So by this way you can enhance your English power. Tomorrow I will show you a temple. I will go in the temple. I will show you the picture, and then immediately on live, on the spot, you can describe with me easily. I will share so many adjectives, words, so you can grab them, and it will be easy for you when I use these adjective and word vocabulary in front of you by this vlog, and you can learn them. You can also imagine in your mind. When the image in your mind, you can imagine immediately what the vocabulary here you can use. So this is my motto. It is my first vlog, so that if you like, definitely I will go ahead. Otherwise also no problem. It's my motto to make English easier. So I am here, Neelam Dhingra, and my channel's name Speak English with Neelam. So no doubt, definitely, if you continue with me one day, not sooner or later, but not to delay, without delaying, you will speak with me. Okay, so pay the attention and just carefully listen this vlog, because if I am putting efforts, definitely I want at least you should tune in this vlog, because I will use good vocabulary, awesome vocabulary I will say, and some adjective also. So these adjective and vocabulary, definitely you will find these all vocabulary will useful and worthful in your career, in your English, and you can find out it's a great change in your English. So now this time I'm wind up this vlog, but I will show you my next video after one day, maybe tomorrow, maybe next video I will show a majestic temple, and I will describe the everything in front of you, so that it will be easy for you how use the words, how frame the sentences, how make the good use of vocabulary, and which word how can we use. So okay, this time I am winding up this vlog, and I hope you will like, and for your English purpose. If you are beginner, then definitely it is going to be worthful for you also with intermediate level, because I will use adjective, some advanced line vocabulary. So definitely it's going to be drastic change in your English. So hold your breath and pay the attention, and I will meet you. You can catch me my next vlog. Thanks. Bye bye.